Hi, I'm Mitch from Aquasyn. We are a bioprocessing solutions provider located right here in the USA. I have a few questions for piping installers. Is it a challenge to try to slope into two different directions? Is it also a challenge to try to maintain that slope with a multitude of 100-foot runs with only 18 inches to work with? Is trying to slope to two different point of use locations a challenge? Well, if it is, Aquasyn's got you covered with our perfect pitch elbow, which are available in commonly used piping sizes and quick delivery from Amazon. With 1.5 degree of slope on both sides, the perfect pitch simplifies piping installation by reducing the vertical footprint of horizontal runs and the need for additional elbows. If you're experiencing any of these challenges, please contact us at www.aquasyn.com. Thank you for listening, and please remember, quick delivery from Amazon. Thank you very much.